Morning guys, One Man One Magnet here, and today I'm out with Brian from Magnet Fishing for Amateurs, but Rick's not with us today. He's had to go to another fish, but he will be out next week, so look out for his photos, what he uploads to that. We've got Leighton down there, we've got Addison down here, and Dylan's back out of us. He's in the green hoodie from the 4 Magneteers. We've got Aaron and Neil from as scrapmen, and we've even got, no wonder down here, we've even got, you can see, we've got young Toby out again with us today, and his dad Kirk, and Kirk's missus, second time out with us. He has told me that he's going to be setting up a YouTube channel, but I'm going to get him on video and let him tell you what his YouTube name's going to be. So I like people to like and subscribe to his channel once it's up and running. So yeah, we are in lovely Shipper today, and we've got some okay finds so far. In there we believe there's a track explosive. We will be getting the police out at some point to have a look, but we're not too sure. We're going to get a second opinion. I'm going to give someone a ring just to double check with that. So yeah, photos and videos will be uploaded very shortly. So far, some bits and bats out what Brian and Addison's pulled out. I believe Leighton's pulled a sign out up there. The scrapman's here already, because they couldn't have a go magnet fishing with us, which is good. I've got some bits down there. So yeah, nice sunny day today as well. Magnet in water. And I'll be back with you guys. Cheers. A sign. You got some there, Addison? Hey up. Go to the another bar. Sorted. Get it go up to there so everyone comes past. Aaron and Neil having a go at magnets again. Dun, 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 dun. Morning.
Morning.
Is that afternoon?
You've got steps, I see, on the top.
There's a pull up there, isn't it? There's more there.
No.
To open that swing bridge, or going further up.
Yeah.
Neil has just pulled. I've been out. Knackered. Everyone's down there. Magnet in water. Toby having a good time. Yeah, Toby here. Can you tell me what your YouTube name's going to be so people can know?
Magnetic Monkey.
Magnetic Monkey, guys. So if you remember that channel, when's your channel going to go up? Do you know? Very soon? Next couple of weeks, guys. Magnetic Monkey. New magnet fisher. So watch out for his YouTube channel and please subscribe to it and like his videos. But yeah, it's been a good day so far. I'm back at yous. Here you go, Sonic.
One for Sonic.
Ding ding. What you got there, Leighton? Leighton's been up on Swing Bridge with Brian, and he's got, which we believe to be a part of, well, no, it's part of a jackhammer for the roads or part of a bike, we're not too sure. Let's go down. Oh, murder weapon! Murder weapon! Murder weapon! And all the rest of it. Boys are down there. So yeah.
I found a gun.
You found a gun? What have you found?
A staple gun.
A staple gun. It's a murder weapon. Staple gun. Nice find. Now then guys, One Man One Magnet. Been a good day today. Out in Shipley. We've got some unusual finds, and we think we have got a track explosive which I pulled out from under this bridge. So police are going to be phoned just to be on the safe side, just to make sure it is a track explosive. But we have had a people have a look at it and identify it and saying it is. So police will be coming out to have a look at that and see if we can get rid of it. Also, I want to say a big thank you to people who have commented on yesterday, wishing me happy birthday. So thank you very much appreciated. Also, I want to say a few shout outs to people. Magnet, my mum and dad. Shout out to you. Happy birthday, Lindsay. Hope you're having a good day. I hope Roger's cooking for you on side at Canal or wherever you are. Shout out to Mad Hatter, Mud Larkin. Shout out to you. Sonic, my man, Ding Ding. Shout out to you. Northants Magnet Fishing, Nigel. Shout out to you. Peaky Dippers, Dudley Dippers. Joker Magnet. Sleaford Dippers. Shout out to you. Also shout out to 4 Magneteers who have come out again today. So please like and follow their page on Facebook as well. Sorry guys, looking behind me because I thought there were a bike behind me. Also, massive shout out to George and Shannon at Real Deal. I've seen your lives that you're doing, mate, and it's not acceptable if people are talking about family and stuff like that. It's not acceptable whatsoever. But I hope you're alright, brother, and I hope Shannon's okay too. Like I say, if you ever need a chat, you know where I am. Facebook call, text, whatever. You know I'm here for you, dude, and Shannon as well. Keep doing what you're doing, because don't let anyone disrespect you, basically, because that's what we are not here for. So keep up the good work and your other adventures that you're going to be doing. Also a big shout out to Magnet Fishing for Amateurs. I know Rick's not with us today, but if he's having a good day, what he's doing, he's back out with us next week. Shout out to Brian as well and his scrapmen. Also a big shout out as well to Young Turby again coming out. Like I say, his YouTube channel will be up and running in the next 2 weeks. Magnetic Monkey he's going to be calling himself, so watch this space, he's told me to let everyone know. So yeah, so guys, if I don't see you for the week, I'll see you next week. Remember guys, like and subscribe to my One Man One Magnet page, and also to my One Man's Magnet page. That's for everybody to share the posts, pictures, videos, groups, etc. You know, put your videos on there. So don't mind at all. So yeah, right guys, if I don't see you, I'll see you all on the next one. Take care of yourself, and we'll see you all next week. Cheers guys. Cordoned off, got some dickhead me. Close the track explosive out.
Let's get out of the way.
What about people coming down though? Do I just wait? Do we wait here and tell them or what?
Yeah, I think we'll wait. You wait there.
Yeah. No, you have to think it though, if they're going to come down, or they have to divert from there, aren't they? Yeah. Hey up, this is part of there now. LAPD here.
I've had too many girls' numbers.
Because of me pulling a track explosive out. Happy days. So I'll be back with you guys and see what's going on. So guys, it's end of the day and we've closed off part of the area because I've pulled out a live track explosive which is getting disposed of. Network Rail are here. He's gone down there to get something out of his van and he's going to get dispose of it. And the bullet that Brian has pulled out, the sergeant there, the copper, is excuse me, he's going to get rid of it. Took firearms, let them have a look at it. So yeah, it's going to be disposed of today. I'll keep you updated. Right,
Oh, he's not taking me bucket.
He's gone.
Priorities.
There it is. Getting disposed of. And that's it.
They're just putting it in the van.
He's put it in like an iron box. Taking it. And it's gone. That's it. Done. back open. Area is back open. It's been disposed of. The police are off to the next call. So yeah, happy days. Happy days. All scrap is getting removed now. All scrap's getting removed from where we've been. Happy days. And clean up video, we are cleaning the area up as well. So just gonna get rid of all this now and then we'll be out of here. Now then guys, what a day. What a day. Track explosive out water, that place out. My days, what a day. What a day. It's gone now. It's been taken by Network Rail, they've taken it away, so no bomb disposal come out. But it's back open, so as you can see, we're doing a tidy up now. Crown trusted here as well. But yeah, it's been a good one. It's been a different one for me anyway. So just packing up now. We're getting all scrap removed. Scrap man is down there. So it's been a blast. Mind the pun. But yeah, it's safely disposed of. So this day has been cut short, but I'm not bothered. It's out of water. It's been taken away safe. We've had a member of the public kicking off about it, which I don't understand. It's closed off for a reason, so better to be safe than sorry. Like I said, it's been taken away out of the water. Network Rail taking it away, so thank you to them. Thank you to the police that come out, did a great job. So from me, Woman Magnet, Addison, Dylan and Leighton, for my tears. A&N Scrap who've come out with us today. Brian from Magnet Fishing Amateurs. Toby, Kirk and Kirk's wife Helen has come out today as well. Thank you all for coming out, and we'll see you all guys next week, next adventure. Hopefully don't put no more track explosives or anything like that, but if we do, just do the same again. So stay safe guys, look after yourself, and see you again.